highly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. Here are some of the countries most affected. 10. Bangladesh. The low-lying coastal geography of Bangladesh makes it particularly vulnerable to sea level rise, storms, and cyclones, leading to the risk of widespread displacement and damage to infrastructure. 9. The Maldives. As an island nation with a maximum elevation of only a few meters above sea level, the Maldives is at risk of being submerged due to rising sea levels. 8. Haiti. Haiti faces the challenges of extreme weather events, including hurricanes and floods, which are exacerbated by its vulnerable infrastructure and socio-economic conditions. 7. Tuvalu. This small Pacific island nation is highly susceptible to rising sea levels, which pose a significant threat to its land and freshwater resources. 6. Somalia. Climate change impacts in Somalia include droughts, erratic rainfall, and desertification, leading to food and water scarcity and contributing to conflicts over resources. 5. Pakistan. Pakistan is prone to heat waves, floods, and droughts, which have adverse effects on agriculture, water resources, and socio-economic stability. 4. Philippines. As an archipelago, the Philippines is exposed to typhoons, sea level rise, and extreme weather events, leading to economic and human losses. 3. Sudan. Sudan faces climate-related challenges such as desertification, deforestation, and water scarcity, which contribute to food insecurity and social instability. 2. Nigeria. Climate change impacts in Nigeria include heat waves, floods, and disruptions to agriculture and food production, posing significant challenges to its economy and stability. 1. Kiribati. Kiribati, another vulnerable Pacific island nation, faces the threat of rising sea levels, prompting the need for relocation and adaptation measures. Certainly, here are some strategies to protect against the impacts of climate change. Transition to renewable energy. Shift away from fossil fuels and embrace renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency. Improve energy efficiency in buildings, industries, and transportation to lower carbon emissions and reduce energy consumption. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting trees and restoring forests helps sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, mitigating the effects of greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable agriculture. Promote sustainable farming practices such as agroforestry, organic farming, and crop rotation to increase carbon sequestration and reduce emissions from agriculture. Water conservation. Implement water conservation measures and sustainable water management practices to cope with changing rainfall patterns and reduce water scarcity risks. Climate-resilient infrastructure. Design and construct infrastructure considering climate change factors such as sea level rise and extreme weather events to enhance resilience. Disaster preparedness and early warning systems. Strengthen disaster preparedness and establish early warning systems to reduce the impact of extreme weather events. Climate education and awareness. Raise awareness about climate change and its impacts to build public support for climate action and inspire sustainable practices. Supporting vulnerable communities. Provide assistance and resources to vulnerable communities to adapt to climate change and enhance their resilience. International cooperation. Work together on a global scale to set ambitious emission reduction